Hello and welcome to our June roundup of news across the industry, keeping you in touch with the world of health and safety. These are our topics for this issue. As an employer, you must manage the health and safety of new mothers and pregnant workers. The HSE advice on assessing such workers has changed this month. In addition to general risk assessments on pregnant and nursing mothers, you must also carry out an individual risk assessment for each worker to cover her specific needs. When they inform you in writing that they're pregnant or have given birth in the last 6 months or are breastfeeding. Many organisations already do this as good HR practice, and indeed we have always advised this ourselves. New research from Intellex makes interesting reading if you're looking to restate your business case to senior executives. Over 3/4 of respondents to their questionnaire believe their organisation could lose business to a competitor who's doing a better job of improving health and safety in the company. More than 4/5 fear that unless they improve their health and safety culture, they will lose skilled workers to better performing competitors. Over 70% say a lack of progress in ESG could negatively impact the company's ability to win new business, and almost 3/4 told them that if their organisation doesn't improve ESG performance, it will negatively impact their brand's reputation in the market. Always good to have fresh statistics to motivate members of the board. I've been involved with some large corporations recently, but I've also taken on an assignment assessing work placements for children seeking work experience in small enterprises. Everything from butchers, hairdressers, libraries and microbreweries, and it's quite refreshing to see health and safety being taken seriously there. But there's still work to be done. Analysis by pensions and investment research consultants PIRC suggests that publicly listed companies cherry-pick which safety metrics they disclose, providing only a partial picture of the safety risks their workforces face. There's an obvious interest to portray the most favourable picture of their operations. 40 distinct safety metrics are used in FTSE 350 corporate reporting. However, most companies choose to only report against one or two. In some cases, companies switch metrics from year to year, and the data is hard to interpret, making benchmarking impossible. Incidents which involve contingent workforces, individuals who are indirectly working for companies either as self-employed contractors or as agency or outsourced hired services, are not routinely disclosed. I've witnessed this myself with a food manufacturer that chose to advertise their X number of days without injury whilst ignoring the injuries to contractors that occurred on their site. A friend and colleague of mine shared with me a story that absolutely nails on the benefit of risk assessment process. He visited a factory in North Africa recently. An accident occurred involving a poorly guarded machine. This resulted in a guard being fitted onto that machine but not fitted on the other identical machines in the factory. And why? Because the accident happened on that particular machine, not on the others. It sounds like madness, and clearly there was no concept of risk assessment. So what's new at Deliveroo? We are pleased to be rolling out our management and training dashboards to some new clients, and we're working on some additional e-learning modules that clients can choose to add to their consultancy service. Please contact us if you would like a demonstration.